So finally we have the real hands-on photos and the videos of the Galaxy S22 devices. Now the hands-on video seems to be something like official hands-on video. Someone else recorded it from a playing screen. Anyway, and I'm telling it looking at the angles and the transitions because it is showing quite a lot of features as well. But mainly we can see it's getting confirmed that the Galaxy S22 Plus and the standard S22 model will have 4 color options: green, pink gold and typical black and white. Now this is all thanks to Daemonix leaks. You can check out the link below. The whole design is almost similar to the Galaxy S21 from last year, with curvy design and flat display with top-sided punch hole, with few changes in the camera module design, and also improvements like frosted glass back this time. So you're paying the premium price, you're getting the premium thing. The green one shows the best possible way, the frosted back. I will show you something amazing at the end. But if you're interested in specs improvements or features that are coming with this device, I will link down my video on my other channel you can check out if you have time. And the same way we can also see the productivity focused Galaxy S22 Ultra, or should I say the cancelled Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. Can I say that? It will have identical color options aside from the pink gold, which will be replaced by the burgundy red. We've seen it with the Note 9, I guess. Now it is also showing the Galaxy Note design, and boy, it does look amazing. I love it. And we can see the whole design. It is almost identical to the Note 20 Ultra's one, aside from a totally different camera housing, which isn't a bad thing at all. And it's the thing that makes it look attractive this year. And I think this design is much more mature looking design than even the Note 20 Ultra's one. It's kind of like Samsung went from flush back to a big camera square bump and then going back to the flush back quite a bit. And recently we have also heard that the S Pen is going to be 3 times faster compared to the Note 20 Ultra's one, and we can see it in the action here. But we can't really access anything, but hey, we can see that the S Pen is coming and it's gonna work well. Here are fast full hands-on photos of both the devices, the S22 Ultra in matte black and the S22 in green. And I'm dying to see the S22 Ultra in green. But we don't have to wait that long. So anyway, it clearly shows the glass back of both the devices, but I think the S22 back has a different charm of its own this time. Just tell me in the comment section what do you think of the design. And it doesn't look cheap at all, which it will not be either in terms of price either. And if you want to know the price, then definitely watch my recent video on this channel uploaded a few hours back. Anyway, in the next photo we can see fully lit up displays of these two devices. And boy oh boy, I can see something that was leaked a long time back. It's the razor thin bezels on the S22 and the S22 Plus. Insane. It's crazy how Samsung managed to do it. I just don't know. Now the S22 Ultra on the other hand will have certainly quite a bit of chin, which is slightly disappointing considering the Note 20 Ultra had almost similar amount of chin. But in this photo it is also clearly visible how curvy the Ultra model's display will be. I mean, Samsung isn't moving towards the S9 times anyway, so it's not going to be that curvy, but it's going to be slightly curvy like the Note 20 Ultra. But I can't just stop looking at the razor thin bezels on the S22. Oh my god. Now, if you want to get updated about these two devices or other future devices in the future, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Now, we can also see in these leaked photos that there are going to be 2 different types of Samsung wireless charging plates, and they look real cute, by the way. There is one 15-watt wireless charger, and then there is another one 15-watt duo wireless charger. I think it's kind of like this Apple's MagSafe Duo and MagSafe. But hey, I don't know whether there will be MagSafe Live capabilities in these phones. I just don't know. Anyway, these two chargers are real cute looking one. And definitely, thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.